Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In this lecture, I will be taking up a very good example containing exponential logarithmic functions, and the answer is required in greatest integer function value. This is the greatest integer function. This question is a form of exponential logarithmic functions. This is a question on functions useful for IIT JEE Mains and Advanced and also for Maths Olympiad in Algebra. It's a very good example, and it does not have any numerical values in it, but still we will get a numerical value as the answer. The function is in the form of an equation: x to the power of ln x is equal to ln x to the power of x. We have to find the value of x in which numerical values are absent, but still we will get the numerical value as the answer. We will proceed further to solve this. Question is, find the greatest integer x value if x to the power of ln x is equal to ln x to the power of x. The answer is, we will get the solution as below. We will use the logarithmic properties. The given equation or the given function is x to the power of ln x is equal to ln x to the power of x. By taking natural logs on both sides, we get natural log of x to the power of ln x is equal to natural log of ln x to the power of x. That implies ln x into ln x is equal to x into ln of ln x. That implies ln x whole square is equal to x into natural logarithm of ln x. Let sum p is equal to ln x. That implies p square is equal to e to the power of p into x is nothing but e to the power of p. Ln of ln x is ln of p. In a simplified form, it is like this: p square is equal to e to the power of p into ln p. Where p is equal to ln x. Let us say it is greater than 0 for positive values of p. Now, we have to find the greatest integer value x. Now, it is a transcendental equation. Function p is equal to e to the power of p ln p minus p square is equal to 0. It's a transcendental equation. This can be solved by trial and error method only. By trial and error method, because it cannot be solved by regular methods. Let us say P is equal to 1. That means left hand side is equal to P square is equal to 1 square, that is equal to 1. Right hand side is equal to e to the power of 1 into ln 1, that is equal to 0. This implies left hand side is not equal to right hand side and left hand side is greater than right hand side. This is more important observation. Then P is equal to 2. Left hand side is equal to 2 square, that is equal to 4. Right hand side is equal to e square ln 2, that is equal to e square is 2.718 whole square. This you can easily find out. ln 2 is 0.691693, which you very well know. Then multiply both of them and you find out right hand side. What is the value of right hand side? It's a simple calculation. It is 5.12 approximately. That means here left hand side is less than right hand side. Left hand side is less than right hand side. In the previous examples I have shown, when left hand side changes its inequality with right hand side value between two values, then the root of that particular equation lies between these two. Here, when P is equal to 1, left hand side is greater than right hand side, and when P is equal to 2, left hand side is less than right hand side. This implies P lies between 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Let us take an approximation, because we have to go by trial and error method only. P is equal to 1.5. P cannot be more than 2. P cannot be less than 1. P is between 1 and 2. Let us take an approximation. Then left hand side is equal to P square. P square is equal to 1.5 square, that is equal to 2.25. What is the right hand side? E to the power of P into ln P. E to the power of P into ln P. That is equal to 2.718 to the power of 1.5. That is 2.718 into square root of 2.718. It's very easy to find out. ln 1.5. That is equal to 2.718 into square root of 2.718 into ln 1.5 is nothing but ln 1 minus ln 0.5. ln 1 plus ln 0.5. This is equal to 2.718 into square root of 2.718 into ln 1.5 is ln 1, not ln 1.5. It will be 3 by 2. ln 3 minus, sorry, I have made a mistake. This will be ln 3 minus ln 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5. ln 3 minus ln 2 is how much? 0.405. What is its value? Just see. .814. LHS is less than RHS. That means this is still holding good at 1.5 also. LHS is greater than, LHS is greater than RHS. That means at 1.5 LHS is greater than RHS and at 2 LHS is less than RHS. That means the P lies between 1.5 and 2. Please see the procedure. Don't worry about the exact values. Please see the procedure. Then let us say this is 1.814. This is 2.25 and 1.5, 2. Let me say P is equal to 1.75. Let us say. Beyond that, let's not do, because we are doing without calculator. Let us stop it here. Now, let us say it is a satisfactory answer for P is equal to 1.75. What is P? P is equal to ln x. P is equal to ln x, which implies ln x is equal to 1.75, which says x is equal to e to the power of 1.75. That implies x is equal to e to the power of 1 into e to the power of 0.75. That is e to the power of 1 into e to the power square root of e into e square root of e to the power of half. 3 by 4. That is equal to 2.718 square root of 2.718 into square root of 2.718 to the power of half, which you can very easily, approximately you can find out by hand. 2.718 into 2.718 is how much? Square root of 2.718 approximately 1.5 into 1.5 is 2.25. 2.7 we require. 16 into 16 is 256, that is 2.56. 2.7 we can say approximately it can be 1.65. We are doing only approximately because we have wanted to solve it without a calculator. 1.65 to the power of half. Square root of 1.65 will be how much? 2.718 into 1.65 into 1.65 square root will be 1.2 into 1.2 is 1.44. 1.3 into 1.3 is 1.69. Let us say 1.3 approximately. That will be approximately. You just see how much it will be. It will be a direct multiplication. It is approximately equal to 5.81. Then, what will be the value of greatest integer x? X is equal to 5. This is the answer. If anything like this is given in JEE Advanced, to put the value between 1 and 10 in multiple choice questions, the answer for the greatest integer is 5. Why greatest integer is asked here? Because you are doing without a calculator. You can have a leverage of some fraction, some decimals. And if you have a calculator also, the greatest integer value can be easily found out. This is how we have to do. And in JEE Mains also, if this type of question is given, greatest integer is equal to 5, you can easily find out without a calculator. In Maths Olympiad also, like IOQM, INmo, IMO, RMO, if greatest integer value is asked in 2 digits, it will be 0.5. In 2 digits, what is the answer? 0.5. This is the answer. I want to stop this lecture here, and I want to say that the understanding of the concepts is more important rather than the exact answers, exact values in the practice tests. It is like a practice test for you. It's a practice question for you involving different concepts: greatest integer concept, exponential equation, logarithmic exponential equation, and also a function of logarithmic exponential, and a function without any numerical values can give rise to a numerical value as the answer. With this, I want to conclude this lecture. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to you. If you feel there is a value addition to you because of this lecture to you, please kindly share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITian. Thank you. Best of luck.